Hello, welcome to Math 219, Statistics and Probability. I'm Professor Romero. I'm going to take a few minutes to introduce the class to you. What you're looking at right now is our Canvas homepage. Here you'll see our course calendar. This is a Google document that kind of outlines all of the assignments and what's upcoming. And this should match up with the due dates that pop up in the Canvas calendar and um, what the assignments that are coming up and posted. So you can use this to briefly take a look at the overall kind of assignments of the course and the dates. What you're going to do though to get started, the first items that you're going to want to look at, right, in addition to the syllabus and calendar, Module 0 is where you'll start if you're not sure, and then we'll get back to all the other things. But Module 0 instructions start here. And what's going to happen is this is where you will have your first assignments, links to the syllabus, the course calendar, which will take a few minutes to look at, and the first assignments for the first 2 days that you must complete. If you don't, then it's kind of used as attendance, and you then drop from the class if you don't complete those assignments at the beginning. But of course, you will see those pop up in Canvas and in your calendar. So where do we start? Again, after you get to the Canvas homepage, you get to the modules. In the modules, you will see, and I'm clicking on so you can see, you'll see a link to the NetTutor, which is a free tutoring company that offers tutoring for you. In addition, we have our Math Center and Learning Center that are free also. Your course information we'll take a look at. Everything you need is here. And then when we have our class assignments, quizzes, exams will pop up in this module. This is Unit 0 where the opening assignments are. So these are the first things you're going to get done. These are not non-statistics assignments, meaning there's no, you can do this without statistics, the course material. So you can get started on those anytime once this course is open. And then you'll see Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4. I'll go through those in a separate video showing you how to learn in this class. So you want to make sure you look at that one. But Unit 1, 2, 3, and 4, those were all our homework assignments will be, the notes for the class, videos for the class, everything will be in those units because that's where the stats material is. Okay, now we're going to look at the syllabus. In this syllabus link here, which you find other places too, you also have the course calendar link and then a link to the calendar here. It's embedded in here. And so what you need to know, again, is just you got to go through this. Hopefully you get to read some of my statements. The textbook is free. The technology we use in class is free. Okay. I'll have posted also a guide for our technology, so keep an eye for that. The main part of the course is your online homework, which I'll show you what to do and how to learn in this class. There's some other Canvas assignments that are also that pop up, some discussion boards and things, so you will take care of those. I have kind of some challenge problems. They're kind of like practice exam problems that you have to post solutions to. That will also be there as part of a discussion board. I have quizzes in the class. There are 6 quizzes throughout our time together, and then 2 projects. Hopefully you're not overwhelmed yet. The first one is extra credit, okay? The first one is extra credit, and then the second one is going to be a mandatory one. Let me get back here. Sorry, I went too fast. There it is. 10% extra credit towards your midterm grade. Remember, this is an 8-week class, accelerated, moves fast. So we have a midterm and a final. So just make sure you're okay with that. Now, we do use an online system called Proctorial. If for some reason you do not want to use Proctorial, then we have to make an arrangement to find a proctor for you. You come to our assessment center to do that. So keep that in mind, okay, as when that comes out. So that's our syllabus. You want to go through that and make sure you know what's up with that, okay? Because those are all the key things that we have for the class. Next, I want to make sure you're aware of announcements. You have access to that. I'll be sending a lot of announcements, okay? So just make sure you're ready and you're updated. Make sure you've updated the notifications so you get those announcements. And then if you're not sure how to do that, in course information, you will then see how to set up your notifications, customizing your settings. So also in the course information where I want to make sure, like I said, the first thing you want to make sure is the module 0 stuff, right? Which is all of these things, which is really our unit 0 getting started and moving through it, because we have module 1, module 2 is the and so forth. So you want to start with that. There'll be a video how to learn separate that you'll find that there. What to do when you get stuck. This is so important. I'll have a note on that and how to learn in the class. The link to Pronto, that's an app we're going to use in the class, so make sure you wear that. Links to the free textbook, guided notes. These are the notes that I use in my face-to-face class that I use to guide this class. Link to the artist stat. We have late passes, and then there's a formula sheet that I post inside of the exams that you could use, so you want to have access to that. In the artist stat, again, there's the free link to it, and then there's a guide that goes over how to use it if you can't find that within our homework assignments. So I think that's enough here to get us going. I want to just, again, welcome you to the class. Hope you find it relevant to many aspects of your life or your career or your academic pursuits. If you have any questions, of course, you'll email me if anything wasn't covered here.